The boys and I are back for another adventure. Join us as we hit a local breakfast joint and make our way to one of Guatemala's hidden gems, which you don't want to miss. And stick around to find out how I was almost killed near the end. Hey guys, it's Zach. Welcome back to the channel. Dave. Look at this pig over here with his hot chocolate. This is what a man drinks, coffee. I usually order it black, but light skin coffee today. Dog, hot diggity dog, Donald. Would you tell the world, Donald, how is it?
Heavenly.
Everything you thought it would be and more.
And more.
Alright. Thank you, thank you.
Is that chicken breast? What's that?
You hungry? Basket of tortillas. We are off to the races to Crater Azul. I've done my time in the pickup beds. Donald's done his time too, but he's too gracious to get in the cab. Coal blaze, ready to serve your 2-hour sentence. We're on the roadside right now. They've got traffic shut down. We don't really know how long it's going to be. They said 30 minutes, half an hour. Could be an hour, could be 2 hours. We don't know. Up there, you can see they're working on the road. They don't take a passageway or a detour for cars to go around or go through. They just make everybody wait. So it's about 2 hours from where we're going. And the boys are sitting over there in the shade to cool down. Hola, mi amigos. Do any of you guys need to go in the truck for AC? You guys are good? Okay. Jumping in the bed of the truck, and we are on the way. It was indeed about a half hour. Alright, we just stopped at the side of the road. We got some snacks. The boys and I are going to split 2 chickens between the 4 of us. You can see where we are before we head to Critters. Oh, I got one too, but I got the Guatemalan version. Hey Christian, can you tell me something? How many milligrams of caffeine does this have in it?
It doesn't call it out.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I drink the hard stuff back home, so we'll see if this...
That's probably very bad for you.
Well, I haven't had it before, so maybe it's good for me. We'll find out.
Probably very bad for you.
Yeah, but in moderation. Once every couple of weeks, once a month, not awful.
It is.
Nope.
You should probably just have like
Christian,
one in your entire lifetime.
Christian, the heart is a muscle. It needs to be trained until failure.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
No, it doesn't. Whoever's telling you that should probably go to jail. It's
You train your heart, it beats faster, it gets stronger. You become more resilient.
Wait.
Made it to the entrance. It's on a little ranch. Hey Christian, did you pay for us already or?
No.
Okay. The entrance is right there. There's a horse back there. This is where you pay to get in.
Look, that's a very small path, like a month old. And there's a few others here, I believe.
It's cool. We just made it to Crater Azul. And I'm not sure if we're gonna have to walk a bit, but it looks like there's a spring right here. My friend Bogdan was grateful enough to let me use his drone footage after I crash mined into a tree. So I hope you enjoy these clips and go check out his channel. I'm going to the bottom.
Okay.
Coming with me?
Yeah.
Bonita. Bonita. Yes. So this is the river that flows into the crater. I believe that the crater is somewhere up the trail. Hola. Through the trees, the willow trees, 3 gringos in the jungle, 4 gringos in the jungle. Understood that one. Where shall we set up?
Following you, my friend.
I am gonna make my way over there. Is it good?
This is Miranda,
You've already
my
drank-
new girlfriend. I've
Alright.
already drank half of her.
It's a creek, right? So it goes like from there all the way up. So we could potentially do some exploring. I'm gonna try to swim to the bottom if I can.
Watch out, there's
Wait for her.
to get out of the way, I think.
Or do you want to go the other side?
I didn't see it.
You're gonna go down to the bottom. My ears feel like I'm gonna blow when I'm down there. I got proof this time. I would say it's about 20, 25 feet deep. I just got out. The pressure's getting to me a little bit. I had a super bad wave of vertigo, but it's starting to level out. I think what we're gonna do is hang out here. Then we're gonna go exploring up the creek, and I'll take you guys along that way. Looks like Donald's got himself a beer. It's the life of the party.
You want a sip?
Yeah. Give Donald a beer, now it's mine. The water here is really, really shallow. Went through the creek a bit. Looks like there's another formation. Can you feel the current taking you a bit?
Yeah.
I really hope there's not like a sinkhole or something. Well, it's another crater. I'm gonna go to the edge and then I'm coming back. I'll see you. This one is like kind of abandoned. There's nobody over here. Boat? From that way? Oh. I don't know. For whatever reason, I just didn't feel safe to continue going that way. Yeah, I'm going to the side. And that would be why. As I got to the middle of that second crater, I got a sinking feeling in my chest. And I thought about Mr. Ballin's videos. I feel really unsafe right now and I couldn't figure out why. So I was like, all right, I'm going to just swim back instead of venturing down over there on my own. And as I'm swimming back, I see Donald. He's like, yeah, I hear a boat. I'm like, a boat? Yeah, the boat right here. I'm in the middle of the crater. So I swam to the side. And as soon as I swam to the side, the boat ran over where I was diving. So let that be a lesson to everyone, to always listen to your gut. And Donald, listen to the Donalds in your life as well. Oh, did you get tortillas for us too?
Yep.
Bro, the
Help
goat.
yourself,
The
brother.
goat. The goat.
Adobo or adobado? We say adobado, but
Said when in doubt, tortilla it out.
see from the top.
We need to start making this a thing back home. Just bringing tortillas for everything.
So
Tortilla.
You guys ever hear the Pints with the Planets where they go through like the dumbest superpowers? Like you can talk to fish, but it's only one fish.
Some lunch, and this has just been an amazing time. It's beautiful, and I'm so thankful to the Lord that I can be here today. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in this content, you're going to be seeing a whole lot more. So we're on to the next video. See you then.